Society has taken a dreadful toll on the environment, but today we're making great strides in reversing some of that damage. This story demonstrates what happens when people and technology work together to protect and preserve.
They just don't make things like they used to in the good old days. And it's a good thing in the case of the automobile. Big, heavy, fuel-hungry beasts polluted the air and contributed to global warming. Automotive designers and government officials agreed that better ways had to be found for the car and the environment to coexist.
Vehicle manufacturers have really done quite an excellent job of reducing and improving the fuel economy of those sedans since the 1970s. And a major way in which that has been accomplished is by the use of different materials, such as plastics, substituting for metal. With the increasing sales of minivans, sport utility vehicles, the average weight of our vehicles is going up, and the challenge, therefore, is to continue to find materials, including plastics, which will enable us to reduce the weight, thereby improving the fuel economy.
Because plastic weighs 6 to 8 times less than most metals, using it to reduce mass and weight of the car helps make it more fuel efficient, among other advantages.
Plastics provides a parts consolidation, safety, and lighter weight, and resulting in better fuel economy for our vehicles. Plastics have replaced metallic bumpers on virtually all the cars in North America. Grill opening panels utilize recycled pop bottles. Door panels on the inside of the vehicle have transformed from metals to plastics, providing a safer interior of the vehicle. The use of plastic in engine manifolds can save 5 pounds and increase horsepower by 30%. Plastic reduces the weight of a car by 400 pounds. That translates to an energy savings of 525 million gallons of gas a year, which means 10 billion pounds less carbon dioxide are put into the atmosphere.
Future cars will be even lighter in weight. As the cost of gas goes through the roof, automobile designers are toying with hybrid cars that incorporate mixed energy sources to make them friendlier to the environment.
One of the principal goals in the ESX3 is to dramatically improve fuel economy, which includes major weight reduction. And so instead of using steel as we traditionally do in body construction, the entire body is constructed out of thermoplastic material, injection molded thermoplastic, which is about a 43% weight reduction over the steel, and is actually lower than it would have been had we done it in aluminum, which is the other sort of popular lightweight candidate. Another virtue of this prototype vehicle and the use of plastics is the thermal conductivity is much lower, so there's much less heat into and out of the car, so you can reduce the amount of air conditioning, reduce the amount of heating. All of that helps the efficiency of the vehicle, reduces the amount of fuel that you need. So there's a lot of motivation to want to use engineered plastics in the future.
As the automobile lightens up with strong yet lightweight materials, heavier gas-guzzling dinosaurs are being replaced. That means lower fuel use, which lightens up on the environment, too.
Thanks for tuning in today. Join us again as we continue to explore how people and technology can work together to better protect our planet.